Have you ever wondered what UPSC is? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we delve into the world of the Union Public Service Commission, commonly referred to as UPSC. UPSC, the Union Public Service Commission, is India's central agency, established under Article 315 of the Constitution of India. This esteemed body is responsible for conducting examinations for appointment to the services of the Union. It's more than just an exam-conducting body. It's a pillar of the Indian administrative structure. UPSC plays a pivotal role in selecting the right candidates for various central civil services, including the prestigious Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service, and Indian Foreign Service, among others. It ensures that the selection process is rigorous, fair, and transparent, upholding the principles of merit and integrity. But the UPSC's responsibilities don't end there. It is also entrusted with the task of advising the President on matters relating to the appointment, promotion, and disciplinary matters concerning the civil services. It's a guardian of meritocracy and ethical governance, ensuring that the country's administrative machinery functions smoothly and efficiently. So why is UPSC so important? Well, the UPSC is the backbone of India's bureaucratic structure. It's the gatekeeper to the country's civil services, selecting the individuals who will go on to hold key positions in the government. In essence, it shapes the administrative framework of the nation and plays a critical role in ensuring the smooth functioning of the government machinery. The UPSC's rigorous selection process ensures that only the most capable individuals are selected for the civil services. The candidates are tested on a variety of parameters, including their knowledge, aptitude, decision-making abilities, and ethical values. This ensures that the civil services are staffed by competent and dedicated individuals committed to serving the nation. In a nutshell, the Union Public Service Commission is an integral part of India's administrative framework. It's responsible for conducting examinations for recruitment to the civil services, advising the President on service matters, and ensuring that the principles of merit and integrity are upheld in the civil services. To summarize, the UPSC is India's central recruitment agency, responsible for selecting candidates for various central civil services. Its importance lies in its role as the guardian of meritocracy and ethical governance, ensuring that the country's administrative machinery functions effectively. Its rigorous selection process ensures that only the most capable individuals are chosen to serve the nation. So the next time you hear about UPSC, you now know it's not just about the exams. It's about upholding the principles of merit and integrity, shaping the administrative framework of the nation, and most importantly, serving the nation. The world of UPSC is vast and intriguing, and it plays a critical role in shaping the future of the country. It's a world of commitment, dedication, and service towards the nation. So, here's to the UPSC, the backbone of India's administrative structure.